excited about the movie.
Dog, he's right behind the door. Dude. Is it not that hard to look? Is it not that hard?
I'm trying to watch a movie. Shut up.
Wow, how ironic. So am I. Do you have a part in here or something?
That's a lady. That's a lady.
I don't care, man. Dude, I don't care. She's all in my face. For real. For real.
Dude, you need to shut up, man.
Or what? What you gonna do?
Man, don't
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
I'll put my hands on you, make you see Jesus.
Let's go. Let's go now. I saw it like twice. What an idiot.
You ain't got no health insurance.
He's gonna get some in a minute.
Dude, you need to shut up.
Hey, you wanna go outside for a minute and maybe stay out there for the rest of the movie?
I'll be happy to meet you outside.
Catch me nowhere. I swear.
And you want to go outside with her?
What?
You're supposed to be in here watching the movie?
I am, but wait. Why is there a baby in here? What? Dog, seriously?
Dude, you really need to be quiet. My baby is quieter than you.
Yeah, probably fed that Gerber milk. Cheap.
Hey, excuse me, sir.
What?
Sir.
What?
The people in the back told me to give you a message.
What's that?
Shut up!
Why don't y'all all shut up? I'm trying to watch a movie here. Trying to distract me? You serious? I'm on a date night.
It's been a great night, but you know what?
Yeah!